This is one of my premium strategies and I want to show it to you guys right now, so pay attention, understand how the settings are done. You need only one indicator to make consistent profit. You need only Williams percent range indicator to make massive profit. So pay attention, I will show you everything, how to make use of this indicator, also show you where to place your stop loss. Do you understand? So pay attention. First of all, I will delete the current settings here so that I start afresh. So get your pen and paper or write the settings down. Do you understand? Don't make mistake in the parameters on how to set up the indicators, right? So go on F, you locate the only indicator we'll be using here is Williams percent range indicator. Do you understand? So on my screen now, this is a Williams percent range indicator. Do you understand? So you click on it. Now here are what the settings. But let me set it the default so that I'll start afresh so that you will be able to set it on your own. Do you understand? So this is the default setting for Williams percent range. This is what I'm going to see on your screen. Do you understand? All right, now you change the period to 19. Do you understand? So that is the first thing. Now the second thing, you come to level, click on level, delete -20. Do you understand? Change the 80 to 50. Do you understand? Then the pixel, choose 4, change the color to red. Do you understand? You click what? On done. Now this is all about the settings for the Williams percent range indicator. Now back to the chart. Here is what our chart. Now I will show you how to make use of this indicator and record massive profit. So I want you to do what? To pay attention so that you understand how to make use of this and how to. Now this is how to make use of this. When you look at the side of the Williams percent indicator, here is the 50 line mark and here is the Williams percent range indicator. Do you understand? So when the Williams percent indicator crosses the 50 mark sign from up downward, that is a sell signal. Do you understand? Now when the crossing occur from down upward, that is what a buy signal. Do you understand? Like as I said, I will show you where to do what, to place your stop loss. Do you understand? All right, now let's proceed. Let me show you how to make use of this. Now look at this from this line of crossing here. Now this is what a sell signal. Do you understand? This is what a clear sell signal. Do you understand? So you buy, you sell where the crossing occur from up downward, from the point where the crossing occur, that is point where you are going to sell. Do you understand? So here is the crossing and this is where I want you to sell. Now the next thing is where to place your stop loss. Now if you are selling, your stop loss should be at the previous lower low, at the previous lower low. So here, this is our previous lower low here. Do you understand? That is where your stop loss should be. I hope you see that clear. Our previous lower low is here. This is where your previous lower low should be. That is where your stop loss should be, I mean to say. Do you understand? All right, now when you are buying, that is for this, like here now, the crossing occur from down upward, which signifies a buy signal. Do you understand? So you make your buy entry from the point where the crossing occur. Do you understand? So this is where I want you to do what? Make your buy entry. Here this is a crossing and I want you to make your buy entry here. So your stop loss should be at the previous higher high. Now this is what your previous higher high. That is where your stop loss should be. So as you can see, this is what a huge profit, as easy as that. Do you understand? This is one of my pre-moon strategy, and it has been paying over and over. So I'm sharing it with you guys. This strategy will change your trading history forever. Do you understand? So let's proceed. See, look at this. Look at this. This is what a huge profit. A huge profit. Are you seeing it? It's still buying. This is what a huge profit. Right now, this is another correction here. Here is what another correction. Do you understand? So you make your sell entry from this point. Do you understand? Then you place your stop loss at the previous lower low. It is react selling. Do you understand? Place your stop loss at the previous lower low. So I want you to do what? Make your sell entry here. Then this is what we have to place your stop loss. You place your stop loss at the previous this is our previous lower low here. So that is where to do what? Place your stop loss. To understand? And this is what massive profits. Are you seeing it? Still selling. Now the market, look at this point. Look at this. So you make your buy entry. Make your buy entry here. You understand? So the same strategy apply, and you see this is what. So guys, this is one of my best strategy ever. You sell here. Do you understand? You sell here, place your stop loss at the previous lower low. Do you understand? So this is how you keep on making profit. Do you understand? Now look at this. This is what a huge profit. You buy here, and this is what XX profit. So guys, this is a premium strategy, and I'm giving it to you guys free of charge. So change your trading history with this. Do you understand? So don't forget, this is OPTIMER FX, where profitable strategies are shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let all acts benefit. Thank you.